Make a joyful noise to the Lord, all the lands. Serve the Lord with gladness. Come into his presence with singing. Know that the Lord is God. It is he that made us, and we are his. We are his people, and the sheep of his pasture. Enter his gates with thanksgiving, and his courts with praise. Give thanks to him. Bless his name, for the Lord is good. His steadfast love endures forever, and his faithfulness to all generations. Psalm 100 is a short but powerful psalm of praise and thanksgiving that calls all people to worship the Lord with joy. It celebrates God's goodness, faithfulness, and enduring love, making it a timeless invitation to grateful worship. Themes and lessons. Joyful worship. The psalm opens with a call to shout for joy to the Lord, all the earth, highlighting the global and inclusive nature of praise. Worship God with joy and enthusiasm, not merely out of duty. Serving God with gladness. Worship is not just ritual, but a joyful service to God. It's meant to be done with glad hearts, not out of obligation. God's identity and relationship with us. The Lord is God. He made us, and we belong to him like sheep to a shepherd. This emphasizes God's authority, care, and personal connection with his people. Acknowledge God as creator and shepherd, and recognize our identity as his people. Gratitude and praise. We are to enter his gates with thanksgiving and his courts with praise, showing that gratitude is the proper response to God's goodness. Approach God with thanksgiving, focusing on his blessings and faithfulness. Praise is for everyone, calling all the earth to recognize and honor the Lord, God's eternal faithfulness and love. The psalm closes with the affirmation that the Lord is good, and his love and faithfulness endure forever, offering hope across generations. God's love and truth are constant, offering security in a changing world. Psalm 100 has a clear message. God is worthy of joyful, thankful praise from all people, in all generations.